Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut, eye-catching ideas of hair dye, and so attractive collection of hairstyling. Messy hairstyles and spiky hairstyles, and different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut, and the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. Trendy ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Funky colors, beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights with blonde color, with burgundy color, and much more latest collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video. Share my video, your friends, your family members, and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.